Rufaida, listening to that, what are some of the challenges to creating this trust relationship in this kind of ecosystem environment?
So I love the framework that Kent has outlined, and it's so solid for and guiding. In my world, or our world of payments, there's a special sort of trust, and I will take nothing away from the trust that we've engendered as a bank for 160 years of our history, because that's just something that is innate to a bank. But when you look at a payment processing capability, it's there's a certain form of reliability. There's an expectation of a lack of risk or no introduction of risk into it that becomes our bread and butter. You can't get that wrong. So in a platform ecosystem, if we offer payments capability, embedded payments capability, and if we offer a wallet, it must offer a sense of reliability that is indisputable. So it will do what we expect it to do time after time, and it will do it correctly. Embedded payments on any platform, particularly ours, must be so easy and reliable so as to be invisible, native, intuitive, intrinsic, because you want to engender a sense that it works every time. I don't have to worry, and I can trust my ecosystem orchestrator that that is a key feature of that capability. If we achieve this, I would call it the creation of this virtuous circle. We build this network effect that creates trust in the client who's in that ecosystem and will be comfortable enough and confident enough to leave value to come back later for future use. And it creates confidence in a merchant base who wants to bring their market and market their services in this ecosystem, because there's an attracted, trusted client base that they can tap into. This diversity of services, this network effect, in turn then creates and attracts more clients into this ecosystem. All sounds very easy. I wish it was, or everybody would be doing it today and we would have all gotten it 100% right. But it's not. We have to, and I think we have a good opportunity and an advantage in that we can translate this 160-year strong reputation, the expertise we have in the bank. I'm sitting with some of the best in the business, and turn this into a virtual world that shows us that we can, and shows our clients that we can deliver seamless reliability across Africa better than anyone else. So I'm very pleased and excited to be part of that journey, and I'm very confident we're going to achieve the 2025 strategy that we've set out on. That said, I would not be a banker if I didn't highlight the risk here. If we don't get on this quickly, the consequences are that we will not be competing in this environment. The dominance of the Chinese platforms have already demonstrated the ability to embed a payments capability in their platform. The financial services partners in that ecosystem are reeling, scrambling, trying to get back on that journey, but they're literally passengers on a train, and they are providers in someone else's platform. So we don't want that. Look at what, Ant Financial is in the Alipay platform. So I feel very confident that the bank strategy is right, is purposeful, and will avoid us falling into that sort of death knell trap.
So it's a very interesting thing that's happening in the world at large, which is the shift of technology power, especially in social media, from Silicon Valley to China. TikTok is growing so fast, the Chinese super apps that everyone's mentioned.